Good evening, folks. Part 6, 2008, Dodge Ram 1500 differential rebuild. This is part 6 and the final installment. I get all the rear transaxle bit up on my jack, wheel it out of my shop, back under the truck. After a few wrench turns, here we are. Well, for the first 5 minutes, it was very quiet. All I could hear was the Hemi rumbling, basically. So I liked that. It sounded great. So I let it sit there and idle for a while. It actually got up to about 50 miles an hour just in drive, idling up on jack stands there. So it kind of got a little break-in period. Sounds great. Now let's take it for a test drive. I like it. It's ready to pull a camper now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this series. It was very fun and rewarding for me. It runs like a new one. So, yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Junkyard Tailgate channel. Until next time, good day.